if else statement, and switch statement. So let go directly for the coding and have a practice of it. Before going to that, I think I should show you this combination. Yes, sorry. Before that, we will check the combination. Let's say, uh, I'm deleting this code now. If I am going to concat the string, how it works with the string. Let's say a equal to 5, b equal to 2, and I am writing sum equal to hello string plus a plus b. So what will be the result? Yes, anyone? What will be the output? Hello plus a plus b. What it will be? Let's check. You will find it is hello 5 2, because as this is a string, it is considering every variable as a string and just concatenating it. Just concatenating it. I hope you are getting. I hope you are getting it. Yes,
Yes, sir.
the same task, let's do reverse. Same task, let's do reverse. Let me comment this. Sum equal to a plus b plus hello. Result equal to sum. Does there is any mistake? No, code is correct. We are not, result is, we are not getting this output. These are correct. Sum equal to, oh sorry, it's comment getting the, let me remove this comment part. Okay. Okay, so see, a plus b plus hello. Now 5 plus 2 is happening first, that is a 7, and then hello is concatenated. Why this is? Because operator associativity is from left to right. Associativity is from left to right. Remember, from left means from A, B, like this it is going. So first plus operator is which from the left hand side, which is having both the operands as numbers. So it is taking the number, doing addition, displaying it. Afterwards, next plus operator is having one operand and second operand string. So now it is working as a concatenation, and the we are here. So remember relativity operator from left to right. Okay, let's see this next situation. Okay, variable c equal to 50, b values we already know, a and b values we already know, correct? Now c is 50, so 5, 2 and 50, 5, 2 and 50 is how left associativity means a plus b, so 5 plus 2 it is string 7. After that, hello means it is treating as a string, so result of this 3 will be 7 hello as a string, and then 50 value is there, so it is just concatenating the value. I hope it is much helpful for you to understand the concept. Go for check the precedence of the operators. A equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 4. A plus b plus c work. Obviously is having high incidence, even though associativity from left to right, and also the precedence will be given to the multiplication. So 4 into 3 12 and plus 2, and that's we are getting result 14. So please take care about this associativity and the precedence of operator while using the operators. Let's move ahead to the control statement, that is if. Very easy, straightforward, as you will learn. Let's say variable equal to 12. Suppose I want to find that the number is even or odd. If x equal to 12, I will go for if x mod 2 equal to 0, then document.write is given, else it be off. So let's check. Let me run this program. Instead of typing there, I'll shortcut run this. Okay. So is it correct? 12 is a even. Let's try for 13 and 13 odd. Yes. Is
Sir, screen is stuck.
do you understand? Oh, I think it is coming late. Are you able to see now the ePails code?
No, no, sir.
Once it is visible. Okay, let me stop sharing and share again. Just a minute. I'm presenting the screen again. Does it happen for this last EP example or from some time before it was happening?
From precedence.
Yes, sir, from precedence.
From are you able to see the precedence? Precedence example, are you able to see?
Screen is not visible. Now visible, sir.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
Oh, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this was the precedence example. A equal to 3 values are assigned and A plus B star C. So I was telling that multiplication will happen first and then addition, even though the associativity is from left to right. Correct? And that's why it will print 14. That is 4 into 3, 12 plus 2. Is it okay?
Not visible.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir, yes.
Precedence screen is not visible.
Now visible, sir. Now visible.
Okay. So check out the code. You can easily understand. Line number 32. Multiplication will happen first and addition. Fine?
Yes, sir, fine.
Is it fine? Okay. Let me move to the next if statement. So now tell me, does you are able to see the code of if statement, that code?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Great. So very yes. Okay. So it is a very standard. I'm to write a code to check given number is even or odd. So yes, you know that if x is a variable, then mod 2, if even, remainder will be 0, and is not divided by 0, then it will be go to the else and print odd. So this is the result. Just a minute. This is the result odd, as I have assigned 13 value to x. Let me change it to 66. It should reflect even. So are you able to see the screen of result? It is showing 66 is a even.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will wait. I think some
Now,
delay
sir,
is there. Okay,
yes, sir.
66 and here even. Okay, great. Likewise, suppose I want to go for another example. Find the number is positive or negative. Can you tell me what logic I should use? In the same program, what should I change? How should I check that number is positive or negative? Hello?
Number greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct. If number, just I have to check the
Than
condition.
0.
If number is greater than 0, then it is
Positive.
positive number, and otherwise,
Negative number.
I know these are very simple examples, but we just want to check that EPL statement in a JavaScript. So are you able to observe the output also? 66 is treated as a positive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let
Yes, sir.
me go for minus 66, and now it is showing negative. Correct? Once you able to see, please tell me.
Yes, sir,
And
visible.
okay, great. So this is like if, else if, you can go for any number of stages. Like suppose I want to check you can go for nested if also. If I want to check that number is positive and even also, then either I can go for here greater than 0 and even. How can I check the even? 5% 2 equal to 0. Then number is positive and even. So let me change this 66. Yes, tell me, are you able to get this output x equal to 66? I have changed the code, used
Yes,
and operator. I am checking two conditions, positive and odd, and you are getting the result positive and even. Fine. So this is about the if statement. Let's move ahead. If else, and one more control statement you can use is a switch. So let's check the switch. Tell me, are you able to see the switch code now? JavaScript switch demo.html file.
No,
Once
sir.
it is visible, tell me. I will wait.
yes, sir,
I think
visible.
screen is lagging. Okay. So I'm going to run this. So what is the code I have written? Find the day of week by accepting its number. Let's say 1 means Sunday, 2 means Monday, like that. So whatever value we are inserting, x equal to, I have written here 1. Okay, variable, that is the choice operator. Then switch keyword, to that you have to pass the choice. And then different cases, case 1, case 2, like this. So I may write 7 cases. Right now, for example, I have written only 2. 1 means it will print Sunday. Break statement, so that you don't want to go flow down. Once one case is complete, you should come out. Then case 2 is, it is a Monday. So when I have written the x equal to 1, it is printing Sunday. Let me check it for 2, and it is saying Monday. And obviously last case will be the default. So it is quite similar like C code, JavaScript, swing in Java, sorry, switch in JavaScript. So do you understand the switch statement?